today at FIA Insurance in Pasadena with Brandon Okita. So can you tell us a little bit about what you do?
Yes, at FIA Insurance, first of all, we're an independent agency. We're right in the downtown Pasadena area, so this is kind of a big financial district. A lot of banks, insurance companies, agencies are all around in this area. And our agency, just a little bit about the history of FIA Insurance, has been in business since 1946. So right after World War II, when it was actually difficult for Japanese Americans because of the war to obtain insurance, this agency was formed to basically help all Japanese Americans to help obtain insurance. And since then, we've now been expanding, and we write obviously more than just Japanese Americans. We go and write all lines of insurance. So they have personal insurance, which are for individuals, and then we also write commercial insurance, which are for businesses. And we have the whole slew as far as product line. We do homeowners, your auto, as well as workers' compensation, health insurance, life insurance, and anything you could think of that has the word insurance involved in it.
So how is your company organized?
Well, because we're a small family-owned business, we don't have multiple locations. We just have this one location here in downtown Pasadena. And because we offer different products for different clientele, like I mentioned earlier, we have individuals that need insurance, we have businesses that have insurance needs. And obviously the business insurance needs, they won't help an individual and vice versa. So the way we're set up right now is we have what's called a personal lines department within our agency. They're all grouped together, and they're the ones that handle any individuals, whether it's a home, an auto, boat, health insurance, they'll handle that. We have a commercial insurance department which does lines such as your commercial property, general liability, workers' compensation. So if anyone slips and falls at work and gets injured, that's a workers' compensation, and that's a business insurance. And that way the agents that are working directly in those departments have a specialty, and they specialize in those departments so that they have a better understanding of the businesses or the individuals that are asking for the insurance help.
So what does your company charge?
The way we actually get paid, we actually don't get charged, or we don't charge directly. The majority of our time the way we get paid is through our insurance company partners. Whenever someone purchases a policy, they can go online, they can see what the pricing is. When they buy a policy, there is a commission that's actually set up within the pricing whenever someone buys a policy. So if you were driving, you buy a auto policy, and it's $1,000 a year. Actually within that $1,000, that insurance company actually pays a portion of that as a commission to the insurance agent that sold the policy. So the insurance company actually does not receive the full $1,000. They receive the $1,000 minus the commission they pay the insurance agent, which would be myself, or our agency actually.
Yeah.
So generally we actually don't charge anything in addition to whatever is already priced within the premiums.
So who's your competition?
Our biggest competition, like I mentioned, there's a lot of insurance agencies that do the exact same things that we do. So there are a bunch in the area and just around in Los Angeles County or even nationwide. Our clientele ranges from local regional ones here in Pasadena to Los Angeles, Southern California, all of California, and like I said, nationwide. We have clients as far as back east in New York, Florida, you name it. So any insurance agency that is out there are direct competitors, as well as even our insurance companies that we partner with. Some of them sell directly to the customers themselves, so we're actually competing against our own companies, technically.
So how does your business obtain the supplies it needs?
Well, as far as our supplies, it's really our carriers, our insurance
Yeah.
companies are who we deal with the most. With insurance, obviously, you get a piece of paper, that's all it is. So with an insurance policy, it's really a promise saying that if anything were to happen, if you were involved in a car accident, this piece of paper is a promise saying that if you get involved in an accident, another party gets hurt, or the other party gets their car damaged, your car gets damaged, that the insurance company will pay. It's a contract that says we will pay to help fix you, your car, or the other person's vehicle, or whatever injuries they may have, so that they are back to whole again, or you're back to whole again. So that's essentially what as far as what insurance does.
So how does your company gather customer feedback?
Well, it's funny that you mention that. Right now, it's really just direct communication with our customers. Most of the time, we either hear directly from our insurance companies we partner with, as well as our customers. And we hear from both ends whether we're doing a good job, which is what we like to hear. For most cases, we really don't hear much negative feedback. But because of obviously the use of social media, we're now starting to put that into our business. We are now starting up a Facebook, a Yelp, things of that nature, so that we are hearing direct feedback from our customers, and we can see it, and now pretty much the whole world can see it whenever they log into these individual websites and social media sites, and they can see what kind of services we provide, as well as reviews from our actual customer clientele to see whether we're doing a good job or, like I said, which is what we want to hear, or even if we're doing anything wrong that needs any
Okay.
sort of improvement on.
Thank you. Hi, I'm here with Linda. And can you explain to us what you do here?
Sure. I'm the personal lines manager, in charge of the personal lines department. We handle all lines of personal insurance, homeowners, automobile, umbrella policies, fire policy, anything to do with the insured or applicant's personal insurance. I have a staff of 2 besides myself, and we handle all the personal lines products for the agency.
Thank you. Hi, I'm here with Keiko. So can you tell us a little bit about what you do here?
Okay, I'm the commercial lines manager here in the office, and I specialize in all business insurance, from packages to workers' comp, professional liability, and things like that.
Hi, I'm here with Jimmy Matsushita, the Senior Vice President of FIA. And can you explain to us a little bit about how you advertise?
We basically do it in the local community, the Rafshimpo, some of our nonprofit groups. In fact, we're probably the largest insurance writer for the JA community nonprofit groups. We also sponsor basketball tournaments. We're one of the major sponsors for Kizuna, and we sponsor the local nonprofit organizations.
Okay, thank you.